Definitely one of my favorite sneakers of 2021. Let's go. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, I'm excited because we do have another early look, and as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from what I'm even wearing, you know the color's green. So today we're taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low in the team green colorway, and I'm geeked. I'm really geeked because this year I really wanted a lot of dunks, and if you've seen my last videos, I've been getting quite a lot of dunks this year. I mean, we have the orange blaze, we got the medium grays, and now we have the team green that we're going to be reviewing early. And you know how I am when it comes to early content. I hardly ever get anything early. So first and foremost, before we actually go straight into the review, let me go ahead and start off by saying thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much just for pulling up, man. It means more than you know. It really means more than you know, and I always want to make sure I let you guys know that I'm very thankful for you guys. So with that said, let's go straight into this review. But first, before we go straight into the review, you know, if this is your first time going to the channel, I like to be always color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing. And so today's colorway, as you can tell, is that team green. So we gotta go straight with the green headband. Let's get it. All right, we are back. We got that headband on green, and we can go straight into this unboxing. So while I'm actually unboxing this, let me go ahead and actually give humongous shout out to the homie Low-Key Bree. She made a review actually on these dunks, and when I checked them out, I checked her review out, and it was really good. When official images came out for these, I already wanted them, but having to see that, you know, when someone does another review, having to see that on feet, it gives you a different perspective. She low-key made me copy. I'm not gonna cap. So let's go straight into it. I'm opening up as we speak right now, and I'm excited. I'm so excited. So if you don't know, these do come out on June 3rd. The release date it's kind of been a little bit finicky for these. I know that these did release outside of the US already. I think it was like May 13th, May 14th, but the release date for the US is June 3rd. So if you're wanting these, mark your calendars. Okay, so we're gonna take out all the tissue paper right here. And oh man, I'm excited. All right, thank you box for being so kindly. And let's go ahead and go straight into the size tag. So I did get a 10.5, and the size description does read Nike Dunk Low Retro, white team, green white, 10.5, and this is a size 12 in women's. And then there goes your SKU code right there, check it out. So as we go straight into opening up this unboxing, let me just tell you right here, making a statement. Haven't even seen this yet, but I'm making the statement. Dunk of the year. Just going off of the official images, we're gonna see how they look in hand, but going off of the official images, dunk of the year. So with all that said and done, let's get straight into the unboxing, or the opening. 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoopsie, we got a couple things from GOAT. Oh, hold on. All right, sorry, I had the GOAT verification stickers in there. Now we're ready to actually do it. So 3, 2, 1, peel back. There they go right there. The Nike Dunk Low in the team green color. My goodness, man. My goodness. These are, I'm speechless right now. Okay, so that is the left pair. I am pulling out the right pair right now. Dude, these are insane. These are insane. Oh my God, I'm gonna drop the box. Let me go ahead and close the box. So here they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk Low in the team green colorway. Dude, I'm kind of speechless for words because these are honestly very beautiful. These are honestly exactly what I did expect. However though, the green is I would say the green I thought was gonna be a little bit lighter, but nonetheless very beautiful. So let's go straight into the review, okay? So we're gonna go and actually bring out, which pair do we want to review first? Left, right? Let's look at we're looking at the right. So starting at the outsole of it, you do have that Spartan green color right there. Very, man, just so sick. Then as you come up to the midsole, you do have that marshmallowy white midsole. Then as you come up, hold on, box is flying, really quick, hold it. All right, sorry about that, it is extremely windy today. So as we come up to the swoosh, you do have that Spartan green or that team green color that goes on the swoosh. As we turn around the shoe right here, you do have the Nike text in white right there. And oh, dude, these are just so flame, I'm sorry. But as you come up more, you do get hit with the green laces. Looking at the toe box, you do have a white plush, very, 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 very soft to the touch toe box. Coming up a little bit to the tongue, you do have that Nike tongue, and you do have, the logo is in that Spartan green or team green colorway. Then as we look at the insole of the sneaker right there, you do have the Nike logo in orange right there. Let me go ahead and actually pull the laces out a little bit for you, take the shoe tree out as well, and so you guys can see that there it goes. And yeah, I'm just gonna be real with you right now. This is definitely the dunk of the year for me. I'm very excited because this was a sneaker that last year, if you don't remember, Nike went out and they came out with two. They were dunk highs. You did have the University of Michigan color, and then you had the Michigan State, the Spartan green color. And this is exactly what they're doing this year. However, it is a low, so which is very beautiful. As you know, lows have been going like crazy, and with this colorway, I already know that it's gonna sell out lickety split. Like, let me tell you right now, I was really, I had to get these. I had to get these. There was no way I was gonna miss out on these, considering last year when the Spartan greens came out, and you know green's my favorite color. When the Spartan green highs came out, I really had to get them as well, but I didn't, and I kind of low-key dropped the ball because when they came out, they were 120, and I was like, I can wait a little bit. Was I wrong? Was I wrong? They're going for like almost 300, and who knows, maybe I might get them later, but with these coming out, I was like, yeah, I had to go ahead and get them. So here they go right here. I kind of dropped them. Here they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk Low in the team green colorway. Like I said, these will be releasing on June 3rd. From what I've seen, it's June 3rd. There hasn't been any official images that have loaded up, but on other besides like the secondary markets like StockX and Go, which is where I got these from. But as we approach the release dates or the release week, I'm pretty sure that they will actually be loading up. So comment down below and let me know, will you be going for these, as well as the Michigan Dunks that are coming out right beside these as well. June 3rd is the release date from what I've been seeing, and I tell you right now, this this was a must for me. I definitely had to get these. I definitely had to get these. So this basically is going to conclude the video of the Nike Dunk Low in the team, beautiful team green color. I will go ahead and give you guys an overlook right now so you can see it, and just look at this. Look at this sneaker. Man, Michigan, y'all be getting some really cool colors. I wish, like, I live in Arizona, and I wish Arizona did stuff like this, you know? We got the Arizona Cardinals, we got the Arizona Phoenix Suns. Like, Nike, if you're listening, drop some Arizona colors, man. I would love it. You know, this is where I live, so if you could do that, that would be really cool. So comment down below and let me know, how do you feel about these? I truthfully, I'm not even gonna lie to you, dunk of the year for me. Dunk of the year for me. I am very happy I got these. I will be dropping an on feed for you right after this video is over, so check that out. I will as well probably be going ahead and dropping official pictures or photos on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out as well. And if you do have any questions, please guys feel free to hit me up. I will try to help you guys to help you out as much as I can. This wind is going insane right now. I don't know what's going on, so I really do apologize about that. But let me go ahead and give you guys a super close look. Comment down below and let me know if this is going to be a sneaker that you're going for the year of 2021. So like always guys, this is the Kid Left Right. I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, there's only ever going to be one you, so please be the best you and just be you. I mean, despite what anyone says, be you. Seriously. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. I love you, and I'll see you later. Peace. We'll be right back.